Welcome to our full review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is very similar to the Z Flip 3 in terms of design, but there are a few small changes. The back is now matte, instead of glossy, and the frame is made of aluminum instead of steel. The phone is also slightly thicker and heavier than the Z Flip. The inner display is the same size and resolution as the Z Flip 3, but it has a slightly faster refresh rate of 120 Hz. The cover display is also the same size, but it has a new feature called Flex Mode, which allows you to use the phone in a partially folded position. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is the same chip that's found in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. It's very similar to the Z Flip 3, but with some small changes. You get a matte back and glossy frame, whereas last year, there was a glossy back and matte frame. The back panels are protected by tougher Gorilla Glass Victus. Plus, of course, just like last year, there is IPX8 ingress protection, which means protection against water, but not dust or sand. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 has the same dual camera system as the Z Flip 3. The main camera is a 12-megapixel sensor with a wide-angle lens, and the ultra-wide camera is also 12 megapixels. The phone can record video in up to 4K resolution at 60 fps. In terms of cameras, the Z Flip 4 features a 12-megapixel main camera with a larger sensor and a wider lens, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. While the Z Flip 4 is folded, there's a small 1.9-inch AMOLED cover screen, which can act as an always-on display. But there is some extra functionality here too. Swiping in different directions can accomplish different things. Swiping down brings up quick toggle options, swiping to the right calls up notifications, and swiping to the left gives you access to a number of different widgets. And if that isn't enough, you can also enable a standard always-on display on the inner screen as well. The main camera captures outstanding photos with balanced processing and natural colors, while the ultra-wide camera offers likable results with good detail and dynamic range. The phone also performs well in low-light conditions with its night mode. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 has a larger battery than the Z Flip 3, at 3,700 mAh. The phone also supports faster charging, up to 25W wired and 15W wireless. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 runs Android 12 with One UI 4.1. The phone also has a number of features that are specific to foldable phones, such as Flex Mode and Split Screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a refinement of the Z Flip 3, with a few small improvements. The phone is still compact and portable, but it now has a faster processor, a larger battery, and a better camera. If you're looking for a foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a great option. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 builds upon the success of its predecessor, offering a more flagship-grade experience with its new chipset, larger battery, faster charging, and improved camera capabilities. It may not be worth upgrading from the previous generation for some users, but for those interested in getting their first foldable phone, the Z Flip 4 is the best choice.